Okay, let's take our morning walk. We'll start right here. So how's everybody been? It is August the 18th, I think, Sunday. It's cooling down a little bit, but not a lot. Gave the dogs a bath yesterday. See that weeping willow? I'm going to show it to you later. It looks kind of sick, and I'm going to show you what I found out about it. This area has lots of squirrels, so they may see something, and I may have to stop. We know the area well. It's a tiny little forest in the middle of our little town. This time I'm going to go up a little further. I shouldn't do this, but I'm going to show you this house that was like, they were really working on it hard and heavy, and I couldn't wait to see it finished. But it looks like they're not going to finish it. At nighttime, it looks kind of scary. Right through here, there's a path. Deers, raccoons, possums, squirrels, rabbits. Because it's Sunday, we don't have a lot of dog walking. We don't have a lot of traffic back here. Get up here a little closer. Anyway, let me get turned around. So let's continue on our way back home. Now you can see my shadow and the dog. Husky on the left, Dolly on the right. I took her in the Dollar General yesterday. She usually doesn't say anything, and she just lays there in the car. She was just like wanting to bark at everything, so I can't take her back. I should be walking the dogs. Husky has a peg leg. He has been to the vet a couple of times. It's been coming off and on for like over a year. So I guess he might have something like arthritis in it, but it's not showing up. But I don't want to walk him on it, that's for sure. And actually the road's been too hot this summer, so we go for car rides. We go down to the lake when it's not too hot. Stroller rides for the kids, but it's not too hot. Again, here's that tree where you can see it in the light, and you'll see what I'm talking about. I'll get up on it closer. I don't want it to die, but I've had weeping willows in the past, and they tend to not live too long. Let's continue on. What plans do you have for the fall? I look forward to sitting outside on the back porch. I'm just going to get me a little fire pit, sit up there when I want. I have music on 24/7. I'm never without music. It's on the back porch. It's in the garage. I keep Amazon going all the time. I like Amazon. And really, I can't wait till winter when I don't feel guilty for not getting out because it's too cold. Then the dogs will continue to get out and do car rides. And I so appreciate you watching, and the dogs had a good trip. I'm going to walk you over to that tree here in a bit. Stay tuned. I've taken the dogs in, so let's take a peek at this tree. I cut this one too short last fall, so I kind of hacked that up. For one thing, that limb is running way into the other tree. So let me show you what's happening. That branch fell. See how it got forked over. The other branch is all that's holding it up there. I cut as much of it off as I could. But yeah, that's causing all that dying part to be showing through and making the tree not that pretty. Let's see what happened. See? I'm like 4 feet away from being able to reach that. I'm gonna have to back the truck up over here and stand up in it and saw that off. It's not gonna fall on me because it's hooked on that other tree limb. Anyway, I hope everybody has a good week. And I appreciate you watching. I hope you like and subscribe. And yeah, I'm going to get this cut down soon.